Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year first of all. This is our first video of 2024. Pretty excited for what the year holds. There's been a bit of a break since our last video, but don't worry, there's a lot more coming. So today our main rig, one of our main rigs for video editing, has space limitation, and that's causing lagging, it's causing a whole bunch of issues. So as you can see, it's in the red zone. We need to get this back on track. How are we going to do that? First things first, use a USB-C to NVMe adapter. What that's going to do is clone the existing OS and everything on it onto the new drive. So with EaseUS, we've managed to clone everything. Now time to power down and start the transfer of all the new things into the body of the PC. So get the screws open, get the case off. The SSD has to be removed, the existing 512, and now we go ahead and place the 2 TB in its spot, and it should boot right up. Insert the 4 TB right into its place, give it a SATA cable. Now, of course, for this, we didn't go with an SSD. We went with a hard disk, which is running at, I believe, 7200 RPM. And the advantage of this is that the highest speed, of course, can never match an SSD, but it's enough for storage because we're not going to be using the 4 TB for editing off of. It's only to store completed projects. Now we're booted up into the system. We've got our 2 TB perfectly running. Windows is running, as you can see. We've also got the 4 TB here in 2 partitions. So yeah, all in all, I think we're good to go. And hopefully the performance is much better, but we'll keep you posted on that. Have a good one, guys. Remember to stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit that bell icon. Remember to keep it quantum.